Hey guys, I'm Sir John. I came all the way from Los Angeles to share my tips with you guys about makeup, celebrity hacks, and things like that. So I hope you like it. So I'm going to show you how to get very easy, impactful eyes super quick. So what we're taking a liner. So I want you to use this underneath the lashes, directly where the hair grows from. So I'm using a color that happens to be the same color as Emma's eyes. We're going to go inside the waterline as well. We're going to use a cotton bud, and this gives me very sharp wings. And always make sure that your wings of your eyeliner are even. So after we're done underneath the eyes, we're going to take any residue we have here at the end and pull. And that's going to show us where our wings need to end. This is so easy to do. You can do this in a car actually. So after we're done with that, we're going to connect our wings and make them even more impactful and make sure that she takes a bit of light. So I'm using 2 color liners here, and 1 green and 1 sea green, just to get a nice mosaic or wash of color. So now I want you to get a look at both eyes. So right now we have this is a softer, sheer version of the eye, and this is a more impactful disco in the daytime. Don't be afraid to get directly to the lashes. It's so important to really get in there and saturate the last bit with liner. So we're gonna go and we're gonna sharpen the wings. We're gonna go into our 3-in-1 mascara and we're gonna finish the look. I'm using Woolly's 3-in-1 Volume Mascara. So this is gonna give a bit more impact. So you wanna get in the habit of wiggling back and forth from the root, almost like you're brushing your teeth. It's okay to coat the top of the lashes as well. I'm a huge fan of doing more than 1 coat because you want a lot of separation, but also you want massive amounts of volume. So for a bit of a bonus, we're gonna take a cobalt blue mascara. We're gonna go directly onto the bottom lash line and just really saturate these lashes. It's almost like denim. Brings a bit of disco into the daytime. So there you have it. So this is a DIY colorful cat eye in no time flat.